Good morning, students. I am Varsha Kuteja from World Peace School, Indore. As you all know, there are four basic mathematical operations. These are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You have already studied about addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Addition means putting together, whereas subtraction means taking away. Multiplication means repeated addition. Division is just opposite of multiplication. Division means repeated subtraction. Okay. So today we will study about division. Division means repeated subtraction or equal sharing. Repeated subtraction means to subtract a same number again and again. To subtract the same number again and again. Let's see an example. See, how many apples are there in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we will divide these 8 apples into 4 parts, 4 groups. First group, second group, third group, fourth group. And we have got 2 apples in each group. Equal number of apples we have got in each group. So, this is an equal sharing. Total number of apple is 8. And number of group is 4. So we have divided 8 by 4. And in each group we have got 2 apples. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now let's see another example. I am having 10 sketch pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I am having 10 sketch pens. I am removing 2 sketch pens. Now, how many sketch pens are left with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. Again, I am removing 2 sketch pens out of 8 sketch pens. Okay. So now how many sketch pens are left with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. Again I am removing 2 sketch pens. I am taking away 2 sketch pens. So how many sketch pens are left with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 sketch pens are left with me. So, 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Again and again, I am doing the subtraction of 2 here. Okay. Now, again 4 minus 2, I am removing 2 more sketch pens. So, how many sketch pens are left with me? 2. So, 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Again, I am taking away 2 sketch pens. So, 2 minus 2 is 0. Is any sketch pen left with me? No. Okay. So 2 minus 2 is 0. How many times we have done the subtraction of 2 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have done the subtraction of 2 here for 5 times. Okay. This is an example of repeated subtraction. In place of this, we can do the division. Total number of sketch pen is 10. We have divided 10 by 2 because we were removing 2 sketch pen every time. Again and again we were doing the subtraction of same number here, that is 2. So we will divide it by 2. 10 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. We will write here 5 and 10 here and we will do the subtraction. So 10 minus 10, 0. Now the number which is to be divided is known as dividend. The number by which it is divided is known as divisor. The answer of the division is known as quotient and the number which is left over after division is known as remainder. Here also we have got quotient 5 and here also we have done subtraction of 2 for 5 times. Answer is same. Now properties of division. First property, when a number is divided by itself, then the quotient is 1. If we divide a number by the number itself, the quotient will be 1. For example, I am having 4 apples and I have divided into 4 groups. So in each group there will be 1 apple. So 4 divided by 4 equals to 1. 6 divided by 6 equals to 1. Second property. When a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is number itself. It means that if we divide any number by 1, then the quotient will be number itself. For example, 7 divided by 1 equals to 7. 9 divided by 1 equals to 9. Let's see. I am having 4 sketch pens and I have kept in one group only. So, in one group only there will be 4 sketch pens. So, 4 divided by 1 equals to 4. Third property. When 0 is divided by any number, then the quotient is 0. If we divide 0 by any number, then the quotient will be 0. Suppose I am having 0 toffee and I have to give to 5 students. So how many toffees each will get? Nothing. 0. Okay. Because I am not having any toffee. So 0 divided by 5 equals to 0. 0 divided by 8 equals to 0. Fourth property. When any number is divided by 0, then it is undefined. It means we cannot divide any number by 0. We cannot divide any number by 0. 5 divided by 0, it is undefined. Now, we will solve the following sums in which you will learn how to do division. First sum. 20 divided by 5. This is a sign of divide. Okay. Whenever we do division, we use this sign. This is a divide is a operator of division. We will write here 20. We will write 5 outside here. Now say the table of 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20. So we will write 4 upside and 20 here. Now 20 minus 20 is 0. So here quotient is 4 and remainder is 0. Second example, 40 divided by 8. Now we will divide 40 by 8. So we are dividing it 40 by 8. So we will say the table of 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40. So we will write 5 upside, 5 will be quotient and 40 here. Now we will do the subtraction. So 40 minus 40, 0. And here quotient is 5 and remainder is 0. Third sum, 38 divided by 9. Here dividend is 38 and divisor is 9. So we will say this table of 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45. In table of 9 we have not got 38. So we will write 4 here. And 9 4 ja 36. Because 36 is smaller than 38. So we will do subtraction. 8 minus 6, 2. And 3 minus 3, 0. Now we cannot divide 2 by 9 because 2 is smaller than 9. So here quotient is 4 and remainder is 2. Fourth sum, 50 divided by 12. Here divisor is 12. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60. Again 12 5 ja 60. 50 is not coming in table of 12. So 12 4 ja 48. 48 is smaller than 50. So 50 minus 48 is 2. Now we cannot divide 2 by 12 because 2 is smaller than 12. So we will left it here. So quotient is 4 and remainder is 2. Along with this video, I am sharing one more video. Watch it carefully. We will learn more about division in next video.